Hey, are you looking for a good rental property in the Perry area? Well, today we have one for you. This is a brand new home in the best school districts, and this one is actually available. Now, I know when you're online and you're looking for a rental property that you see one that you like and then boom, the next day it's gone, it's not available anymore. Well, this one is available. This one is gonna be a beautiful home for somebody here in the Middle Georgia family. So let's take a look and see exactly what this home has to offer.
Are you an investor and you're tired of all that crappy marketing? Well, we have a solution for you. If you'd like a video like this done for all of your investment properties, we'd be more than happy to have that conversation with you. Give us a call or shoot us a text at 478-888-7808. Now let's get back to the tour.